Evening, mandatory long run, weekend run. So kailangan sa weekdays meron tayo kahit isang
Okay na tayo guys. Ganun lang 2 kilometers agad. Condition pag once a week nagpa-fog natin. Okay na tayo guys.
Let's go. Smile pa.
5K na agad tayo guys. 5.06 in 44 minutes. 9 minutes per kilometer tayo. 0.52 na tayo guys. 5.52.
Let's go. Is equivalent to 10,000.
Ganun lang guys. 6K na tayo guys.
56 minutes. Mabilis na yun.
7 kilometers na tayo guys. 66 minutes. Let's go. 8K na tayo guys. 85 minutes. 1 hour and sobrang bagal na natin sa dulo. Dimples Romana. Dimples Romana. 10K na.
Let's go 10K. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Mandatory run to guys. Sa weekday makatakbo. As weekend, try weekend mornings. Run
Change lifestyle na guys. So pag mahirap maging matanda.
I'm with you. I see you. I hear you.